I'm Cameron Watt, Joint Chair of CRISPP, which is the committee representing independent supporting people providers. And today we're calling for all the political parties to commit to ensuring that supporting people project funding increases by at least 10% this year. That's to cover the cost of the national living wage and other steeply increasing staff costs that supporting people providers are facing. You'll all be aware of supporting people funded services in your community, whether it's sheltered housing schemes where the wardens are covered through supporting people, homeless hostels, supported living schemes for people with learning disabilities, and also floating support services that are run by a range of providers to help people live independently in their homes for as long as possible. So these are critically important services that provide a good quality of life and maximum independence for about 20,000 vulnerable people. But we know that they also save Northern Ireland Executive money. Every £1 invested in supporting people services saves £1.90 by reducing pressure on more acute health and social care services, reducing pressure on the justice system and other services. So these are really critically important, and we need to ensure that they're sustained. Many are already on the brink of viability. Many support workers who are doing incredibly demanding work for many of the most vulnerable people have not received a pay increase for a number of years. And we've just got with the news today that SP project funding is to be frozen for a 9th consecutive year. That means that really, a lot of providers will be struggling and many services could potentially become unviable. So this is a critically important time now. We need to do the right thing by the vulnerable people that are helped by supporting people. We need to do the right thing by the support workers who are doing an incredibly demanding job for relatively little pay. But we also have to do the smart thing, which is to invest in these preventative community-based services that reduce pressure on more expensive acute services in Northern Ireland. So that's why today, as I said, we're asking all politicians of all the main parties to commit to that 10% increase in SP project funding, put it at the heart of your manifestos so that together we can keep on supporting people and ensure that our most vulnerable citizens get the care and support that they deserve and that they're entitled to.